Lumeo AI just dropped, and if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before you even think about using it. And trust me, number 7 is something most people completely overlook, but it could save you hours every week. You can try Lumeo AI completely free right now using the first link below, and stick around because I'm going to reveal a powerful use case at the end that most people haven't discovered yet. So what is Lumeo AI? It's a just released all-in-one AI software that combines video creation, automation, and marketing tools. Built specifically for digital marketers, coaches, agency owners, and creators who need to turn ideas into videos fast. Think of it like having a video strategist, scriptwriter, editor, and scheduler all in one dashboard. No need to juggle 5 different apps. Lumeo AI generates full-length talking head videos with auto-generated scripts, AI avatars, voiceovers, and even custom branding. It doesn't just write a script and leave you hanging. It builds the entire video for you. You input a topic or product, and within minutes, you've got a video ready to post on YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, or wherever your audience is. One of its biggest strengths is its automation layer. For example, if you're running a product funnel or content strategy, you can tell Lumeo to generate a weekly set of content. Then it'll draft, design, and schedule it for you. It's like hiring a full content team for less than the cost of one freelancer. Now the interface, super clean. You won't get lost like with most AI tools. Everything's modular. You can tweak the script, swap the voice, change the visuals, or even adjust the CTA mid-video. That level of control is rare for an AI tool this new. It also integrates directly with platforms like Zapier, Notion, and your calendar. Meaning, you can fully automate your video publishing workflow from ideation to execution. Ideal for marketers who value speed but don't want to sacrifice quality. But here's the catch, and it's important. While the avatars and voiceovers are solid, they're not yet at the same level as the ultra-premium generators. It's improving fast, but for now, if hyperrealism is your priority, you may want to supplement with a separate tool. Now remember that use case I mentioned? Here it is. Lumeo AI can auto-generate explainer videos from your existing blog content or landing pages. Just paste in the URL and it pulls the core info, turns it into a video, and optimizes it for social. This alone makes it an absolute goldmine for repurposing content, especially if you're short on time. Again, you can try Lumeo AI free right now using the first link below. And if you're exploring other tools, I've also listed my top recommended AI software picks in the description. Each one tested personally after trying thousands of AI tools over the past few years. Try them for free and build your stack smart.